Hi, today we will show you how to create your first project and make your first steps in AppGyver. To do this, select the Create button after you have gained access. Here we take the AppGyver project. We will save the other options of the overview page, such as Quick Start or Business Application, for later. We now give our first project a name and a description. Don't worry, you can change this afterwards. After confirming, you will see the overview of your first project. Before you try and error here and there, I recommend that you go through the tutorials, especially if you're using AppGyver for the first time. You can find the tutorials below in the purple bar. The percentages in the bar fill up the more tasks you have completed. In total, there are 5 chapters with 5 tasks, each from different areas, so that we can familiarize ourselves with the application. Each task consists of a video in which the exercise is demonstrated and explained. Next to it is a short text, so that you can read the exercise again. Now I have jumped forward a bit with my user, as you can see from the bar, which now has 60% instead of 5. And now I will show you a simple exercise. Here we have to change the appearance of a button. After watching the tutorial video, I drag and drop the button into the middle of the screen. Then I select the Style tab. After I have selected any class, my display and the bottom fills up from 60 to 80%. The task has been completed and the appearance of the button has been changed. Of course, you can create your own classes if the pre-made ones are not suitable for you. Just copy an existing class and give it a new name. Then go to the Edit section. Here you have many options to change your button. Have fun with it and the tutorials. Until next time. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about AppGyver.